Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here I have the button for personal hotspot. You can switch it by tapping on this button by holding your finger until it connects to some of its settings. For example, you can open QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can also set up its name, you can select security protocol, you can change its password, change its AP band, and you can set it to be visible or invisible to other devices. You can also manage connections, like you can add devices to block list, you can set up maximum amount of connections, and you can set up data restriction. And also you can set it to turn off automatically if nobody is connected for 10 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.